I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date, but no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal.
I mean it, Sal. No one.
Deeper and deeper in love with you I'm falling. Sweeter and sweeter, your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
Freeze! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people. Finally. And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought.
Freeze!
With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine. It was dumb luck, but still, that felt pretty great. Sorry for busting in on you like that, but thanks for the shortcut. See ya.
There she is. Harley Quinn.
Yeah,
I've waited a long time for this.
you have? Oh, I haven't had breakfast yet. What did I do to you?
Are you serious? Look at my face. Look at my face!
That wasn't me.
But you dared him to do it.
Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know. That means there's no one here to stop me.
All
You're
right.
gonna die, Quinn.
Oh, a penny.
Oh!
We're gonna shooting arrows now? Crap. Him too?